Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're tired of juggling multiple hair tools, today's review is for you. We're taking a deep dive into the Shark HD 430 FlexStyle Air Styling and Drying System, a multifunctional hairdryer that promises to dry, curl, volumize, and smooth without heat damage. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Shark FlexStyle is designed as a multi-styling powerhouse. It starts as a compact, lightweight hairdryer, but with a quick rotation, it transforms into a styling wand with multiple attachments. Inside the box, you get two 1.25-inch auto-wrap curlers for effortless curls, an oval brush to smooth and add bounce, a paddle brush for sleek, straight styles, and a concentrator attachment for precise airflow when drying. With 4 heat and 3 airflow settings, plus a cool shot button, you can tailor the experience to your hair type and styling needs. Setting up was easy. Just snap on an attachment, adjust the settings, and go. The auto-wrap curlers use Coanda Technology to pull hair around the barrel without excessive heat. While they create soft, natural curls, they work best on short to medium length hair. Those with long or heavy hair might need extra time to get defined curls. The oval brush is excellent for adding volume at the roots, though fine hair may require extra hold products. The paddle brush quickly smooths frizz, making it a great option for sleek styles. As for drying, the powerful airflow dries hair quickly, rivaling high-end dryers, but without extreme heat damage, a big plus for hair health. Let's break it down further. Pros: multifunctional, replaces multiple styling tools. Lightweight and ergonomic, at just over 1.5 pounds, it's easy to handle. Fast drying, powerful airflow speeds up the process. Less heat damage, temperature regulation prevents overheating. Customizable settings, 4 heat and 3 airflow options adapt to different hair types. Cons: curlers have a learning curve. They work well but may take practice. Not ideal for very long, thick hair. Curling and smoothing may take extra time. Pricey: the versatility is great, but the cost may not fit all budgets. Speaking of price, is the Shark FlexStyle worth it? At its price point, it's a direct competitor to premium multi-stylers, but undercuts them slightly while still offering comparable performance. The build feels sturdy, and the attachments lock in securely, so you're not dealing with flimsy pieces. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps other hair care lovers find this video and keeps you updated on the latest beauty tools. Now, how does it compare to similar products? The obvious comparison is the Dyson Airwrap, which has a similar concept but comes at a much higher price tag. While Dyson has an edge in refinement and curling efficiency, the Shark FlexStyle holds its own in drying power and ease of use. If budget is a concern, the Revlon One Step is a cheaper alternative, but it lacks the multi-styling flexibility and doesn't regulate heat as precisely. In terms of build quality, the Shark FlexStyle feels premium, with solid attachments and a sleek design. While I haven't tested it long-term, the materials and engineering suggest durability. Shark, as a brand, has a solid reputation for reliability, so longevity shouldn't be an issue. So is this the styling tool for you? If you want a powerful, versatile multi-styler that dries and styles without excessive heat, the Shark FlexStyle is a fantastic option, especially if you style your hair frequently and need different looks in one device. However, if you only need a simple dryer or curler, you might find a single-purpose tool more cost-effective. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to the product is in the comments. Have you tried the Shark FlexStyle? Drop your thoughts below. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous.